cleared the space here for the desk. I have it there in the box and I'll put it together. And from episode 1, we have the table here. I'm gonna put it together and I'll update you as I go. I just don't have a mount for the camera to sit on for a time lapse. So I opened it up here, and just under this, just a piece of cardboard. Here's the instructions. I'm a dude, so I don't need those. They're on now. They look quite clean. Quick update. Table is set up without the top. Got to take the bubble wrap off, drill into the wood, and install it that way. But the kid is going down for a night. Well, down for a nap. So I'm gonna continue this later. I just placed it on, but I'm gonna quickly screw it on. So now we look under the desk. I have drilled and then screwed in all 10 screws. And then I put in the little clicker. It's ready to go. There we are. All put together. And for the moment of truth. Oh yeah. It's all raised. Time to lower it. I really am happy with this desk. It meets all of my needs and it's very easy to go up and down. Show me what kind of chair you think I should get for my office. We don't plan on keeping this one. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and keep updated for all of my new content. Thanks for watching.